If you're getting 502 error in your Google Chrome, or maybe bad gateway error 502, then what you have to do is simply open your Google Chrome on your phone and then click on the three-dotted button, which is on the top right corner. Click on delete browsing data. Now, if you're experiencing this problem within maybe last hour, then select last hour. If you're experiencing this problem from one day, you can select 24 hours. I hope you get the idea. Select the appropriate time. And then what you have to do is select delete data. You can also select more options and select tabs, and you have to check the first three boxes. You do not have to select the tabs, saved passwords, or something like that. Once you have cleared or deleted the data, you have to go to the app info of Google Chrome, and you have to select the storage and cache and click on clear cache data. Once cleared, you can also restart your device and your problem will be fixed. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.